In this video, I'm going to briefly walk you through the BAPpt2 page builder. Now, as I said in the first video in this mini course, BAPpt2 wants you to learn how to use their tool. So if you need help, they have the live editor help, and they're going to teach you how to build beautiful looking pages. So if you don't get what you need out of this video, go there. They want you to be successful. So let's go ahead and edit our home page. So come to pages, we got our home page or front page, and we'll open it in the live editor. And BAPpt2 makes this super simple. It's essentially a WYSIWYG editor, a what you see is what you get editor, and it's drag and drop. So it functions based on rows and columns and elements. So let's say, for example, we don't want this image right here. We can easily delete it. Okay. We want to edit this text right here. We click the little pencil and we can type whatever we want in the text box. There's a bunch of other options for margins and alignments and colors and all that good stuff. If we want to add a new element, you just hit add element, and this is where you could add things like text or pictures or arrows or audio players, bullets, buttons, toggles, countdowns, custom HTML, dividers, dates, dynamic dates, Facebook comments, feature blocks or box, file downloads, guarantees, hyperlinks, images, JavaScript, live search. I mean, look at all this stuff. There are a ton of different elements that you can add to your website to make it unique and how you need it. And then with the rows, all you do is hit add new row. And this is what I was talking about with the columns. So there's one column, 2, 3, 4, and then there are more complex layouts with different columns and widths of those columns. So like a 2/3, 1/3 page or column. And typically this could be a sidebar right here. So let's just say we insert that in the page, and now we have our columns. So then we could add elements, throw in a headline, different headlines to choose from. Your header, that looks good for right now, insert. So we got our header over here. We could throw in some navigation. They have different navigation menus, so you can make it look however you want. We'll choose that one. You can choose your menu, insert it right there. We have our navigation. You can save and continue or save and close. Also, one thing that's really helpful is the save as preset. So that way you can save, like if you come up with a template that you really like, you can save it as a preset and then you can load it every time so you don't have to build anything from scratch. So when you have all your columns and your headers in place and you want the same look and feel from page to page, save it as a preset, and then you can load it each time. And that's really all I'm going to discuss about the live editor here. Again, they have a bunch of tutorials on this thing, and there's no point in me creating my own tutorials when they already have tutorials. So if you need help using this type of editor, use their tutorials.